All right, welcome to this call. This is Wabu FX Sniper, and what I just want to share with you is this week's analysis on some of the currencies that we are actually trading. I want to share with you some few ideas on how you can start trading as a beginner or someone who is actually like you're just trying to figure out this space. What I've realized is there's a lot of information out there that is making this forex space to be more complex, and it's a very easy and simple way to actually approach it. So today we are going to be taking a look at, first of all, what currency should you trade. The second one, I'm going to be walking you through. I'm going to be walking you through some of the signals that I actually shared last week, and also today, as you can see on the screen, gold. This is just a signal that I actually shared with you, and then we are going to be ending by me playing a short video on how you can join. Um, on how you can join and become part of my Mwabu FX Sniper Mastermind and Coaching group, and what you can really get. So let's dive into it. So what broker do I use? I usually use Xness, and Xness is one of the broker that I've been able to find that when it comes to trading, um, you see, even it has like a platform, it has like a trading view whereby you can set signals, it can give you indicators. It has a lot of good features. You can be able to place your stop losses and take profits just on the platform, which is something amazing. I like Xness. So you can be able to take a look at the link. You can be able to take a look at the link on how to join Xness. You can even start with as low as $10. But guys, as you always remember, if you're in my trading community, I usually say put your money aside. If you've never traded, if you don't have experience, put your money aside. Just register on Xness and focus on the demo account. Trade on the demo account until you become perfect before you start trading on a live account. If you get into a live account and you've never traded before, what you're doing is just like you're just draining your money down. It's just like you're saying, hey, here's my money, just take it. All right. So first thing, you want to have your broker. Second thing is, if you're an amateur also and you just want to really understand the gist of how the market plays, what you want to do is be in my Telegram group, because on my Telegram group, what I usually do is I usually share a lot of information, man. I don't know if there's someone who is in the Forex space who shares crazy information that I share on this Telegram group like me, and I usually do it 100% free. And you can see this is Mwabu FX Sniper. You can see next some, you can see this is just like a signal update, and I usually give out trade ideas. I usually give out trade signals. So what you want to do is, for example, if you see me say like sell now, like for example, you can come here and take a look at, I told people sell gold now again. Okay, so when I say sell gold all out, sell gold now again, what you want to do is you want to come to your Xness account, and immediately I've dropped like sell gold right now. That means that gold is in a position that it is on an entry point whereby you can be able to sell. So what you just want to do is you come here on your, what you'll want to do is you come here on your Xness account and put a lot size of 0.05, okay, and click the sell. So if you click the sell, it will actually drop when I say, or that is when I've given the signal. So what are some of the currencies that you should focus on trading? I usually focus on these few currencies. The first currency that I usually focus on trading mostly, you can see, is gold, right? As you can see, most of the time I'm usually trading gold. Okay, so currency number one is gold. Reason, gold is very, very, very highly volatile. Okay, gold is very, very highly volatile, and it usually gives you good entry points. It usually gives you the volume in the market to really be able to help you make money. I can tell you for sure, when you're trading, you really don't know, like, you really don't need, like, you don't need this to happen. Okay, let me show you. You don't need this to happen. You don't need to have this is for scalping. Okay, for scalping, you don't need this to happen. You don't need price to come from this level, come here, come here, come here, come here, then come all the way. Yes, you don't need all of this. Okay, how many pips are this? Let's check. These are around 300 pips. Okay, so for scalping, what I usually do, for example, you can see this is gold. Okay, I called out this signal on gold. This was today, just after the news. It has gotten into a zone whereby I was thinking that, hey, this will be in a good position to be able to sell the gold. So I told guys to sell gold, and this is what I was looking for. I was actually looking for very, very, very few pips. Okay, so if you go to the 1 minute time frame, it's an in and out strategy. I usually call it an in and out strategy. What you want to do is you want to get inside the market and outside the market. So you can take a look. Here was my entry. I was looking at a short here from this position. I was looking, my take profit was supposed to be here, whereby you're seeing the yellow line. So let me show you how this played. Actually, let me show you the analysis behind this. Wow, it looks like my subscription is over, but no worries. So this is what I was looking for. This is the entry I was looking for. So I was looking for, gold was on this level. So on this level that you're seeing I'm drawing here, this is a high pressure selling. This is a high supply zone, right? So on the supply zone, I'm looking for different confirmations. First of all, you can see that this is an uptrend. Okay, so you don't want to you don't want to trade against the trend. You want to always follow the trend. So on the higher time frame, when I realized, so when I talk about the higher time frame, this can be as high as 15 minutes. I realized that price has reached this level. Okay, and the next candle that had formed, was actually a red candle. So what was I doing, and what was I checking? I was getting into the 5 minutes time frame, and on the 5 minutes time frame, you can see we have more activities going on there. You can see there's an evening star that has been formed, and another candle has been formed down below there. And this is what I was still doing. I went into the 1 minute time frame, and on the 1 minute time frame, you can clearly see there's a pattern, right? There's this line, which is a line that was confirmed several times. You can see from here, this was point A, which this line was touched. Point B, this line was touched. So it has been confirmed that this is a trend line, okay, on the 1 minute time frame. So what I was looking for is on the trend line is I was looking to see a supply zone being formed, which was this. Okay, this was a supply zone that had been formed. So let me just show it. I was looking for a supply zone to be formed so that it can act as my barrier, right? I just don't want to enter a sell up here without anything that will be able to still push my price down. This was my first confluence that I was looking for, supply zone to be formed. And then the second one I was looking for is a break of this support level. Okay, a break of this support level that will now act as a resistance level. So after a break of that support level, the third thing that I was looking for is a break and retest of my trend line, okay, of this trend line. I was looking for a break and retest of that trend line. I was looking for a break of this line, and you can be able to see what happened immediately. We had that happen. Okay, we had a break first of all of uh, the support line, and then after the break of the support line, what happened was now we had a break of this line, which was the trend line. We had a break from here to this level, and then now we had a correction. We had a pullback. Price now pulled back, coming to test our previous line of support that now has acted to be our level of resistance. It is now our level of resistance while having these whole supply zone really giving a push. These are called order blocks. Okay, we have buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. I actually realized that I was not sharing my screen. Wow, apologies about that. Oh my. So I'll just repeat again on Euro USD, so you can see. That's unfortunate. So here's the thing. Let me just repeat. Okay, I was looking at the higher time frames. I was looking at the higher time frames. So the higher time frames here I was looking at 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so when you take a look at the 15 minutes time frame, what's happening here is price is getting to a major level of supply, which is here, major supply level. Price getting into a major supply level. This is a zone. Okay, so you just want to take a look at the candle that is forming here. So if you see a candle is closing below the green candle, what you want to do is move to the lower time frame, and to get into the lower time frame, you're able to see patterns that are forming. So you're able to see a mini supply starting to form here, and on this mini supply, what you want to do is you want to make sure now you're drawing your zones on this mini supply. Remember, we are not moving from the lower time frames to the upper time frames. You're moving from the upper time frames to the lower time frames. All right, so if you so you can see here what we are looking for is we are actually looking for, let's say for example, even you are looking for the break of this level. So if you go to the 1 minute time frame, you'll be able to see this level so well. Let's go down here. So you can see this is our trend line. Okay, our trend line means that this was an uptrend. Price touched this level here, price touched this level here again, price touched this level here, confirming that it is an uptrend. And you can see now what is happening. Price broke this level here. Okay, so when price broke this level here, it has already formed a supply level on here, which we are banking on this level. Okay, we are banking on this level. If price comes down here, and what we are waiting for is price breaks that supply, get pushed down, and then we wait for a pullback. Okay, after a pullback, we are having our entry. Let's say for example, we'll have just still waited for our entry to be at this level here. We say that we'll just wait until price breaks this level at down here. So I was explaining on the pips, how many pips will we be having. We'll have starting from that level up to the lowest level that Euro USD got. Those are 28 pips. Those are good pips. Absolutely. On the other side, if you had entered here, okay, when it went back to retest that level, you could have gotten 40 pips. Okay, those are very good pips. Those are very good pips. You understand? So the reason why we are having this supply here, want it to break these levels, just our confirmation that price really is continuing moving down. And guess what? Your stop loss always make sure that you're just putting it above, just above here, okay, here on this level, just here, okay. If it breaks this order blocks, definitely we are also will be experiencing a continuation of the trend, which sometimes it happens. The price, I usually say, markets always play the way they want. So with that, guys, I've been sharing crazy signals, amazing. And hey, if you want to work with me on a personal level, I just want to share with you a system that has really been able to help me really understand this. What I want to do is I want to empower you. You become your own trainer. You have your own team. You have given your own signals. You become a pro trader. This is my goal as a as part of the Moabo FX sniper signals and everything that I'm doing. This is what will really help you out. Understanding and investing in the knowledge is very, very, very critical. So I'll just play a short clip here. Just listen to this. And then after that, after it has ended, I'll be able to after it has ended, I'll have to explain to you how you'll join. And then if you want to become part of the inner circle, well and good. If you want to continue taking the signals, also well and good. But where the big money is when you get into the inner circle and work with me personally. So
Well, hello there. You know, financial markets and investing practices today are way different than they were 5 years ago. Or heck, even 5 months ago. I mean, Robinhood and Coinbase are now two of the most downloaded apps in the world. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are all the rage. And people are turning to news sources like Reddit for stock tips. Reddit? That's right, it's a whole new ballgame. And everyday people like you can knock it out of the park just like the heavy hitters on Wall Street do. If you're willing to embrace new technologies, learn new skills, and adopt new ways of thinking. And that's where iGenius comes in. As a subsidiary of InvestView, a publicly traded company, we provide you with the financial tools, information, and education you need to take control of your financial future. iGenius members get access to knowledgeable market experts through live and recorded online training sessions. A complete suite of tools to help you start investing in the Forex, crypto, and equities markets. Powerful third-party products like an AI crypto trading software, a robust crypto wallet platform, and an exclusive new digital currency called NDAO. As if that's not enough, we even give you access to lifestyle benefits, like a one-of-a-kind travel portal offering great wholesale rates to all sorts of amazing destinations. Like this one. The drinks are on you, though. And no, we don't burn money on massive ad campaigns. We prefer to grow organically while rewarding our members. So we offer a bonus plan to compensate independent distributors for successfully sharing these products. The iGenius bonus plan is completely optional and is designed to reward key behaviors like acquiring and retaining customers. But whether you decide to share the products with others or not, iGenius will empower you with what you need to live a brilliant life. It all sounds pretty genius, huh? We think so. And if you agree, simply contact the person who shared this video with you to learn more about iGenius's membership options. We'll see you on the next.
I think iGenius is one of the best platforms that has really been able to help me understand the financial markets and also just become so confident when it comes to even giving out signals and doing analysis like these ones and being able to enter and become profitable in the financial market. So if you want to become part of iGenius and learn this, and what you'll be able to do is you'll also be able to get one-on-one coaching from me for free if you're a member of iGenius, mentorship, and everything under my team, because this is the platform that has really helped me learn. Okay, this is the platform that has really helped me connect with the right people, the right mentors who have really been able to help me really understand this space. So I know right now you're in the aspect of you really want to make money, and I just want to show you something else. So on iGenius we have a copy trader platform, and guys, you can see the signals that I'm sharing. Also you can see like this was this guy. He actually took all my signals today, like the ones I was giving, the one I gave out for gold, this one. Okay, So in 10 minutes, I'm going to be closing this meeting. That's how fast I want it to end. He took these signals, and you can see he was able to bank $50 on one trade. So you can imagine if you become part of the iGenius family, and I'm coaching you one-on-one. We are having one-on-one calls. Every trade I take, you take. Everything I do, you do. You can imagine what will actually happen. I wanted to show you the copy trader as we close and wind up this meeting. Looks like we can't find it. So copy trader done for you. Today is on March 10th. So on March 9th, it did 2.3%, 2.8%, 3.4%, 2.48%, 1.5, 1.7, 7.6. So you're making money from both sides. From the copy trader, you're also making money from the signals, and we are winning. So if you want to become part of the iGenius family, or you want to learn more about how the iGenius works and the different platforms, you'll just go on my YouTube on this video. I'll be dropping it on YouTube as a recorded one, and also I'll be dropping the link. Just go on the description. Okay, on the description you'll find a link. You'll find a link here on the description. Click on it. It will redirect you to a page, and then you'll be able to get all the information. So that page will be looking like this. That page will be looking like this. Click the watch the free video. There's an email that will be sent with a replay of this video that you're watching, and then also you'll be directed to this page. So just make sure you watch this whole presentation. You'll be able to understand more about iGenius. And then after that, if you want to get started, it will redirect you to a link whereby you can actually get started with iGenius. Have a good night. I'll see you on the other side of the world as we wait for next week to be able to crush it and make more profits. Have a good time.